Hi, this is Zachary Wong from Hollyland Technology. I'm the product manager and also the US sales consultant. So this is our Intercom section. This is our next year's flagship and also for this year, of course, Solidcom H1 and the Geo Central Station. This is something we're trying to compete with the top brands. It gives you 20 bell packs per base station or antenna, and you can link 3 antennas, seamless roaming without the central units. And with the Geo Central units, you can link 8 antennas, 80 bell packs. And it comes with this kind of fancy bell pack with 4 buttons, but you can overlay 4 channels per button, so it's literally 16 channel bell pack. Gives you 15 hours battery life minimum, and it takes both this 10-pin limo noise cancelling headsets. We're using a secondary mic here to collect the ambient sound and to do phase reverse in the bell pack to give you active mic side noise cancelling so that you can always speak clearly under very noisy environment. Also, we've put Bluetooth in it, so you can now use your AirPods, your Shocks headsets with the bell pack. And also here's a 3.5 audio input and output, so you can use this with your headphones or put line input or mic input in it. So it's also rated IP65, it's all waterproof. And this will be the base station. So alone it can handle 20 bell packs, and you got this battery slots at the back as backup power source. It takes also PoE power. And you also have 4-wire, 2-wire on every antenna. So on this Geo Central Station, it basically just give you more capacity for bell packs antennas and also more interfaces. You have 5 channels of 4 wires, 2 channels of 2 wires, and 1 Dante interface with 4 channels and a radio interface. Basically, you have all the things in this. And the unique feature that only we have will be, we're adding 2 RJ45 here. So if you link multiple charges together, it will pair all the bell packs for you, and also to do the upgrades and synchronization for the bell pack. And I would say this is a perfect choice for a medium or small scale production or integration. And this guy is our upgraded version for M1, Solidcom M1. So we basically just add the noise cancelling and also better audio quality to this model, and it's backward compatible with the Solidcom M1. And the other 2 stuffs will be the Solidcom C1 Pro roaming hub. So this one is literally an upgraded version for the C1 Pro. It gives you 20 headsets per base station and also a seamless roaming if you are interconnecting 2 of those. And the C1 Pro is always our best seller. So it gives you 8 headsets and a whole bunch of connectors at the back, where you can link 3 of those base stations to handle 24 headsets. So this will be all the upgrades. And also, we have some very entry-level intercoms like a Solidcom SE Pro up to 9 headsets, and a Solidcom SE Global version. That's 2.4 gigahertz. All the others are 1.9, and that one only goes to 5 headsets. So that'll be all for the intercom section. Thank you so much. And for more information, please go to hollyland.com. Thank you.